In this video, I'll be walking you through Gmail's new scheduled send feature. This feature allows you to write emails in advance and schedule it to go out any time of the day or night, whether or not your computer is on or connected to Wi-Fi. This tool is helpful for a number of reasons, and I'll share a few of my favorites in the description below. But let's jump right in. To set up a scheduled email, you're going to click on the Compose button in the upper left-hand corner, and it'll just pull up a normal email draft just like you would if you were writing anything else. And all you do here, fill it out just like you would any email. So you can put in the to, the subject, you can write into the body. But instead of hitting send, what you're going to do is use the arrow just to the right there and click on scheduled send. And what's important here is that Google actually detects your time zone wherever you are. So it may not be your client's time zone. It may not be the time zone you're used to working in, as you can see here. So just be conscious of that when you're picking the day and the time to go out. For my example, I'm going to be incredibly obnoxious. I'm actually going to send this at 3 a.m. in the morning so that when my computer is off and away from Wi-Fi as well, so you can see that this works no matter what your computer is doing at the time. What you're looking at now is actually an example that I sent yesterday, and this again sent in the middle of the night. Worked just fine. So saying I think 3 times you can be completely away from Wi-Fi and your computer can be off. You can trust that Google has your message and it's going to send it for you. The last thing I want to show you is how to adjust a scheduled send. On the left-hand side there, you'll see the option schedule. Just go ahead and click on that to see all the emails you've asked Gmail to hold on for you and schedule later. If you need to adjust the text for any reason at all, just click on the email, that bar, and you can edit it as usual, as you would any other email. Just be sure to use the scheduled send arrow again before closing it or before closing the email draft. And that's scheduled sends in Gmail. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you'd like more tips like these.